stillness moves and the silence yields, and not a single beat is lost. You can hear the chorus in the fields, taking up where we left off, and your praise goes on, rising to your throne, where you guard us while we dream. Past the stars they fly, your praises fill the sky, till you wake us with the dawn. When I stoop down, look and stare in the eye, I get a funny feeling I just might be dealing with the face of Christ. After 16 years in a cold gray prison yard, somehow his heart is soft, but keeping simple faith is hard. He lays his Bible open on the table next to me, and as I hear his humble prayer, I feel his longing to be free.